What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. You probably can't hear me because yeah, we're back. Guys, we're gonna try to send it tonight. Gonna see if we can get a 5500 6K launch out of it. Gonna pull with the tire pressure, may spin, or excuse me, slip the clutch a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna try and run the number. I got the co-pilot with me tonight, so what's up? One bad thing, guys, and don't give me too hard of a time about it. I've got both mounts, both cameras and everything here, but I am missing just one memory card. So unfortunately, I'll only have one point of view for you tonight, but it's all good. Tonight, we're gonna send it, so see what happens. Are you here to kick ass and chew bubble gum?
I hope.
I'm out of bubble gum.
The car hose together tonight.
You got any bubble gum?
No bubble gum.
I'm out.
I'm all out of bubble gum.
All right, let's do it then.
All right.
Guys, so had to shout out Speed Addict 731 once again for saving me. I did not have my other memory card, and so he had his with him. Well, my bag of memory cards. And also Grace wants to go down the track, so she's borrowing the helmet. We're about to scare the life out of her, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me get the camera set up. I told you earlier I was
Hey, 7K clutch dump.
yeah, I don't know. We're gonna try
7K.
We're gonna try. We'll try
Air pressure.
12.
12?
Yeah.
7K.
Yeah, it's gonna be we'll see, boys. But all right, guys, new helmet, time to let her rip. Helmet's on for safety.
How does this? You're gonna have to like do it.
Oh. All right, guys. See what she does. I don't know if the track will hold it, but we're gonna try. Head back.
It is. As far as it can be with the helmet on.
Probably just gonna blow the tires off. Man, I botched it. Car started rolling forward. I had it on 5 grand. Started rolling forward. I had to hit the brake, and the tree was dropping. So it's gonna be a pretty bad pass, I'm sure. I hope you're ready.
I am.
How was that?
Great. Ooh. It's hot.
Yes, sir. Launch was good. Better. Grace, how was the launch? How'd it feel?
Good.
Well, I'll replay the facial expressions again, guys. Let me go over real quick what we did here. 777, basically the same time. Here's what happened. The car actually did launch really well. We had a 172 60 foot, which is my best 60 foot. The problem is it bogged. And kind of had to dig its way back out, and that's why we lost mile an hour, lost almost 3 miles an hour over last time. So it's either going to need a lot of wheel spin to get out of the hole good, or it's going to need a lot more gear. One way or the other, we're not going fast enough. But I did put the 18 on the trailer, so got that handled. On to the next. Yeah. Gracie's trying to relax from all the shock and all of that. And then we got Derek, we got Xander, we got Speed Addict, Speed Addict 731.
Foxcast. Yeah.
Oh! Dude, what?
So the Mustang is gone.
I got you. Okay. So pre-release, Xander's car is gone. You know. Ken, are we racing tonight?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm running bad tonight. Dude, I'm slow tonight. I can't run.
I've been waiting on you.
I can't do it.
I've been waiting on you for a month now.
I got it. Guys, drop me a comment below for a GP500 picking on a junkyard fox body.
No. You picked on me. You
No.
called me out. You called
Dude,
me
it's
out,
gonna be
bro.
fun tonight. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're gonna run. It's gonna be fun. We'll see what happens.
Because after tonight,
Things are gonna change.
things are going to change pretty quick.
Yeah. See, guys, all he has to do is like change a pulley, and he goes faster. I have
got
to.
to pull you on it. Don't use
Well, that's the thing.
Don't
So
lie. You called me out.
I've got a little junkyard fox body racing a modded 500. Come on. Guys, I'm totally just busting his balls, but we are gonna run just for the heck of it. It's gonna be awesome. All right, boys. So here's the thing. Car's still super hot, but Grace is totally like digging going down the track, and so you know what? Times be damned. I'm having a great time with my daughter out here tonight. Got all the homies out here tonight, and it's gonna be fun. There's Philip. Philip's got a hat on, looking good. Rock and roll. So you know what, guys? We're just gonna go ahead and run, and you know what? If we don't get the ET tonight, we'll live to fight another day. All right. Helmets on for safety. Right on. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. See what's up. I'm just having too much fun. Grace has never actually got to run down the track, so I don't care if we run a number or not. We're having fun. back, and I've got my truck. So this is the situation. Corey was out of Dover, about to bring his car home, and so I called him. I talked to Alex in Dover, and the situation is Corey is bringing me the trailer and dropping it here. I'm gonna put the car on the trailer behind my truck and take my car home and figure something out from there. And I've got a steep driveway, so yeah, I guess it's gonna have to sit out on the street tonight because it's extremely late and little Miss Thing hasn't eaten dinner and I haven't eaten dinner, and it's a long night. But as soon as Corey gets here with the trailer, we'll put it on there, get it out to the shop. I guess the next video you'll see what it is. I think it's something probably very simple. One of the lines down inside the tank probably split. I don't know, but again, the situation is the pump is running. I've got 18 to 20 pounds of pressure, which is about 45 less than it needs. The car will start and kind of sputter and run for a minute and then die, but that's where we're at. So we'll get it loaded up. Got tension on it? All right. She's tight. All right, boys. She's on there. Huge shout out to my brother from another mother bringing me the trailer. You rock, brother. It's been a long night, guys. Car is on the trailer. It actually started up and ran halfway decent. I was able to drive it on the trailer, so I guess the fuel pump might have got hot. I don't know. What do you think?
Fuel pump.
Yeah. So we're gonna put a pump in it, but you know, at this point, we already had. I had already gone and got my truck. Corey brought the trailer. You know, it is what it is. So, yeah.
Go.
Who's ready for some food and beer? Because I'm tired. It's been a long night. It's been a really long night. All right, guys. So, hey, it's part of it. It's just, you know, it's cars. Cars are stupid. As long as you don't like sleep or money, cars are a fantastic hobby. But in the meantime, if you like this video and you want to donate a fuel pump, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check the show. We'll catch up with you next time.